was an 88 box Chevy working on. Getting it sealed up, wired for a radio, stereo, and carpet. Took all this apart, already did the back two doors. It's got new weather stripping around the door jambs. Took all the windows out. It's got the outer window sweepers and window run, channel run. That's replaced and all put back together. Should have went to the painter while that stuff was out. We all learn. Let's see, this one's next. So these were all busted up like that. Painted the bottom half of the dash. Just to go ahead and get that out of the way so I don't have to be spraying paints in here with the carpet installed. And for you guys that know or don't know, the dash is a little slightly darker brown than what the plastic trim is in the car. So I went ahead and matched it up to what the trim's going to be, which is damn near spot on. I'll show you the sim paint for that in there. It's camel. I'll give you a part number and all. So next step, pull the steering wheel off. We're going to put a different steering wheel on it also. And untape all this stuff where I just sprayed it. Just a quickie. I didn't even charge for it. Just, like I said, get it out of the way before we get the carpet in there. I already had the paint too. I would go on and knock the headliner out, but he wants it a little more custom with the vinyl, the same material that's going on the seats. So that always makes it a pain. We're going to wait on that till I do the interior. Should be down the road a little bit. But yeah, we're going to get them back together and solid. Wire it up. Might even get the stereo playing. We'll get something done though. At least all the center. And here's your paint code. CM15173 Camel. Yep. That stuff's not bad to use too. A little plastic adhesion promoter. Just lightly mist it on 15-20 minutes before you're gonna spray the color. It'll help stick. So I'm gonna get him together. And sorry guys, I'm ignoring all of y'all. Y'all wearing me out. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for calling and want me to do work for you, but I'll fix work on my truck. I ain't gonna hear from me for a minute till that thing's painted. Got the 70 Chrysler Newport out of here last week too. I didn't even get a video of it finished. We'll see it again in the future. It's gonna get more. You're going out this month. End of April, you gone. So that one's gone then. Just the back two door panels right there. Yes, sir. Shaping up, shaping up. Oh, I got some nice ones to show after this too. I mentioned a few videos back, we'd have that box Chevy coming. Old Caprice don't. Supposed to have been another 96 Impala. Never heard back from any of them, so I'm working on my truck. It's all good. Holler at me at the end of the summer, maybe next year. I don't stop. Man, I don't stop. Yeah, one thing to another. Peace. God bless y'all.